Hi, good morning. How are you today? Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. It's great to be back with you. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. That's right. Because we had a long weekend, so we took off Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So today's Tuesday. What day was it yesterday? I just told you. Yesterday was Monday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Super good. And what month are we in? We are in the month of March. Do you see it? Yeah, March. Now look at our calendar. Look at up here at the top of the calendar, we see the month, March, and the year 2021. And look, here's the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we've already gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But Saturday the 13th already passed. Let me circle that. And what about Sunday the 14th? That day already went by, so we need to circle it. And yesterday was Monday the 15th. And now today it's, look up here, Tuesday the 16th. We'll circle that. Wow, we're halfway through the month of March. Wow. Thank you for helping me with the calendar. Now let's read the date together. Today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. That's right. Super. Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. Super. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. Come on, dance with me. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Staying alive, staying alive. Yeah, fun. Okay. And how many sounds do they have? They have at least 2 sounds. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. Okay, let's see the short vowel sounds. Look, there's the happy face. Can you read it with me? A, apple. E, elephant. I, inchworm. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Superty duperty good. Now let's look at the long sound. Look, they have a line on top of them. So we know this letter says A. A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Super duper duper. Now let's look at the consonants. And let's say their sounds and the word. T, table. L, lamp. B, bell. Ding, 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 ding. Nest. Milk. Ha. horse. Sun, 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 Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Cat, meow. Dog, goat. Ring. Fox. Jar. Kite. Violin. Wagon. Yarn. Pig. Zebra. Remember the Q and the U always go together. Queen. And X. Fox, box, axe. Super reading. You guys are just amazing. Now, I want to talk about two blends. This is the J blend. And there's Jerry Jaguar. Can you say that with me? Jerry Jaguar. Hi, Jerry Jaguar. Let's read these blends together. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Okay, can you hear the sound? Ja, 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 ja. That's the J sound. Now I want you to look at this blend. This is the letter Y. It makes a sound yeah. Yeah. Like if you were doing a karate chop. Yeah. 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 This is yacky yak. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So we need to be very careful we don't get these two blends mixed up, okay? This is ja, and this is ya. It's a little different. Can you hear the difference in each blend? Let's say this one together. Ja, ja. Ja. And this one is yeah. Yeah. Ja. Yeah. Ja. Yeah. Ja. Yeah. Ja. Yeah. Okay? Super. You guys got that. Awesome, awesome. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Special sounds time. Here we go. K. Duck. E. Me. O. Go. I. Fly. A. Pray. St. Stop. Pl. Plane. Frog. Train. Ship. Two sounds. And the. Thick. This. Bl. Block. Clock. Flake. Glue. Okay, we did them all. Now, I want us to look up here at the whiteboard. Can you see my whiteboard? Look, here's a sentence, but the words are mixed up. The last three words, they're not in the right order. Can you help me to figure out which word goes first, which word goes second, and which word goes third? It's like a puzzle. Can you help me? Yay! Okay, so let's read the first part. We can mark the vowels to help us. There was two vowels. So the first one is long and the next one is silent. And in this word, there's only one vowel. So we mark it with a happy face. And this is a sight word. So I'm going to put it in a box so we know that's that a sound. Okay? Super. Now let's read it. Luke has a, and let's read these words. How many vowels is in this word? There's only one, so we mark it with a happy face. What about this word? How many vowels? Two. So the first one is long. We mark it with the line, and the second one is silent, so we cross it out. Shh. And the last word, how many vowels does it have? You see it right here? One. That's right. So we mark it with a happy face. Okay, so let's read these words. Can you help me? Big. Big. Super. What about this word? Bike. Bike. You're learning how to read so fast. You are amazing. Red. Red. Okay, so it says, Luke has a big bike. Red. Is that correct? No. I think we can say one big and then two red. What do you think? And the third can be bike. Usually in English, the words that describe something go before, okay? They're called adjectives, but you're going to learn that till 3rd grade. So don't even worry about that. So let's read it. Luke has a big red bike. Ooh, fun. Now, look, I have some words here that have special sounds. This one has 2 special sounds. Do you know what they are? Shh. Shh. And I, because it's a Y at the end of a small word. So this is shy. Oh, shy. I was so shy to meet the people. Shy. And then here, we have 1 vowel in the word. So we're going to mark it with a happy face. And look, this time, the special sound shh is at the end of the word. Did you notice that? So this says wish. Wish. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Wish. You can wish on a star. Okay, super. Now, here it says letters and sounds, pages 137 today. So we don't need that S. Teacher Christy wanted to show you that. When it's only one thing, you don't need an S. Did you know that? When there's only one of something, you don't need to put the S at the end of the word. Wow, we're learning so much together. Okay, so get your letters and sounds out and open up to page 137. And today we have an evaluation. Okay? So, you're going to write your name nice and neatly up here on the top of the page. And parents, make sure to write the date. And it says, write the blends your teacher says. So we're going to do the J. blend. Okay, remember Jerry Jaguar. Okay, so listen carefully. Ja, ja, ja. That's what you're going to write right here. The first one, remember it's just a consonant and a vowel. Ja, 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 j, j, j. Super, you guys are amazing. Remember, you can always pause the video and write what you need to write and then keep going. Then here, number 2 says, mark the vowels. Remember the rule, if there's only one vowel, then we put a happy face. And when there's 2 vowels, the first one is long and the second one is silent. Circle the word that names the picture. Okay, here we go. This is soap, soap, soap. Super. Find the word that says soap. Tube, tube, tube. Find the word that says tube. This is a hive, hive, hive. Find the word that says hive. Web, web, with a B at the end. Web. Find the word that says web. Okay, and that is our reading phonics and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.